Choosing a college is an important decision. You want a program that will challenge you in the classroom, give you real-world, hands-on experiences, and provide you with the professional training and networking opportunities you need to launch your career. Here at the University of Delaware's Department of Mechanical Engineering, we do just that. Because we don't just teach engineering, we build engineers.
Hi there, my name is Jenny Buckley, and I'm a professor at the University of Delaware in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I'm here to tell you about all the great opportunities you'd have as a student in our program. I should know, I graduated from this department in 2001, and my years here at the University of Delaware helped me become a successful engineer, researcher, and professor.
Our department has one of the top mechanical engineering programs in the country. As an undergraduate student, you'll not only master engineering fundamentals, you'll also gain essential hands-on experience designing, building, and testing your ideas. All the while, we'll be preparing you for your future career by having you practice professionalism, by working in teams, presenting your work, and managing your own engineering projects.
All right, you want to load it up, put it to 3?
I feel most confident in the foundation that we've received, as well as the preparation to move on from my time at the University of Delaware and be able to move out into the real world. I feel like we've been prepared very well through class lectures and discussion, as well as having hands-on laboratories where we can actually apply the things that we've learned in class, as well as also having a lot of projects and group work where we can learn the dynamics of working with others and apply that to a project and how to actually meet those deadlines to be able to accomplish things we need to get done.
I chose to do mechanical engineering because I knew it was going to be a challenge. I was interested in coming to Delaware because I did hear that they have a great mechanical engineering program. I've heard a lot about professors through their research and also their teaching styles. All in all, I was very excited that I chose Delaware. I look forward to the opportunities that are going to come from it.
To be honest, mechanical engineering's the curriculum is very similar from school to school. So the question is, why Delaware? Some of the answers I think that are relevant are, because of some of the other things, some of the opportunities we give our students in terms of study abroad and in terms of undergraduate research, and some of the idea that it's a big campus, but it has a small college feel, especially in the College of Engineering. We keep our class sizes down the best we can, and so there's personal interaction between faculty and students.
That looks pretty good, guys.
The curriculum is structured very well that you get a wide variety of different classes and gain all of the knowledge that I believe you need as a mechanical engineer.
So you guys met the goal.
They have fantastic professors and advisors. These professors are people with a lot of teaching experience, as well as a great deal of industry.
This is going to be tough to beat. Freshmen solve statics problem.
University of Delaware also provides lots of opportunities for you to get involved with internships as well as jobs, and that's very important for me as being a senior, and that's something that has benefited me. I actually have a job lined up upon graduation, and I think that's something that combined the prestigiousness of the school as well as the preparation we get, UD provides that for every student who comes here.
Professionalism is important to teach, but it's also hard to teach. So the way we approach it is that by having the students working with people from industry and senior design and mentoring them as they go through that course, they learn what it is to be professional and ethical.
Like the senior design class is pretty much kind of the climax, almost like the pinnacle of the engineering curriculum here at University of Delaware. And it really gives you a good opportunity to apply a lot of the things that we've learned over the first 3 years. They pair us with a project, and that is actually with a real company. You have a problem that you need to solve. Our cost, they gave us a budget of $10,000. But that was our lowest constraint. As I said, they were very flexible if we could come up with something that was going to work. You do the brainstorming, you're able to take that brainstorming and come up with an actual idea. Once you have that idea, then you actually begin to fabricate the idea and then actually do testing to validate whether or not idea actually works.
Well, one of the things companies tell us is that they really appreciate the fact that our students know how to work in teams, that they have hands-on design experience, and that they can make professional presentations.
The engineering programs here at Delaware have always had a very good reputation. Certainly all the mechanical engineering students get a hands-on experience here in the shop, which not all colleges offer. I think that's really necessary in making good engineers, because engineers need to know how things are made, not just how they're designed.
A lot of students also are involved in Engineers Without Borders, and by working on those type of projects, they learn professionalism.
One of my favorite extracurricular activities is Engineers Without Borders. Again, that's what got me into engineering, and now it's kind of my thrive in life. Basically, that's what I want to do eventually, is benefit work in developing countries. You cannot just dive into a developing country and say, hey, you're going to build a clinic. You do have to design the clinic, design everything that goes along with the clinic, and I think our design classes at the University of Delaware and in mechanical engineering definitely help give me the necessary tools to be effective.
Really looking forward to being able to move out into the real world and start at an engineering position. I'm really excited to be able to apply the things that we've learned so far, and actually see those things in action. I'm excited to be able to take on problems, to see the problem, and to know that I can handle that problem because of the things that I've learned at University of Delaware and the things that I've been taught.
The characteristics of our best graduates are their excitement, their enthusiasm for solving real problems, for getting out there into the world and actually using the science and math and helping people.
So there you have it. If you're looking for a challenging, hands-on mechanical engineering program, then look no further than the University of Delaware. We take you beyond the classroom and immerse you in real-world problem solving. Because at the University of Delaware, we don't just teach engineering, we build engineers. Come join us.